Green Cloud. Sustainable sovereign cloud infrastructure built in Europe. Let's deploy a live web app, start to finish. Head to console.grn.cloud and sign in. Everything starts in the software catalog, a library of ready-made building blocks you can launch in just a couple of clicks. We want to host a simple website, so we'll choose the Apache HTTP Server Builder, a production-ready web server that builds and serves your pages straight from source. We click Create to open the deployment form. Just a handful of details, and most of them are already filled in for us. We'll deploy into a project of our own. From the project menu, we choose Create Project, an isolated space on the cluster just for this app. Here's the clever part. Your HTML isn't uploaded by hand. It comes straight from a Git repository. We'll use the provided sample, so there's something to deploy right away. Now we press Create, and the console drops us into the developer view, a live topology of your application as it comes to life. And it all stays in our Netherlands region, GDPR-compliant by default, with no US Cloud Act exposure. First, a build. Green Cloud takes your source code and compiles it into an immutable container image, a sealed, reproducible web server. Nothing drifts, and every rebuild is identical. Give it a moment. The ring around the deployment fills in as the image is built and the pod rolls out. When it's solid blue, your app is up and ready. And there's the route, a public address for your site. One click, and there it is, your web app, live on the internet, served from the EU. That's it. From catalog to a running EU-hosted app in minutes, as fast and familiar as any cloud you know, but sovereign by default and powered entirely by renewable solar energy. Ready to run sovereign? Order your own environment at green.cloud/pricing.